Hello guys, we're gonna unbox TCL C71. This is the cheapest QLED TV which you can find in the market. I ordered it from the Saturn for 499 euros. It's unbelievable how we can get a QLED TV for 499 euros. But hey guys, this is 2020. Check out my unboxing. The box, it says 55 inches and I bought 55 inches model. And it says QLED TV, 4K, Android TV, and it has hands-free video control. So the packaging looks good, and if you want to check out, this is the other side. But packaging looks little damaged over here, but let's hope it does not damage our TV. Hi guys, now we can check out what comes in the box. It says front, so you get a normal booklet and remote. Let's keep it aside and show you afterwards. Next are the metal legs. Oh my god. So as you can see, this is what it comes with. It comes with a standard normal remote and two legs and screws and batteries and some cables and finally the booklet. This is what quickly I just wanted to show, because you have two stand things, you have four things, so you can have two positions where you can keep it. You can have it here or here, near to the center or outside. So let's look at the back side. Here you have on, power off switch, and you have mic on, mic off switch.